Hey guys, what's up? It's Kenzie and welcome back to my channel. I'm squatting here because it's the only good lighting right now. It's like 6:30 in the morning. But welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. This morning, it's like 6:30. I'm about to head to Pilates, but I'm filming a what I eat in a day video. I follow food combining. You guys have probably seen it all over like my channel. Kenzie Burke, Maggie McDonald. There's a lot of people doing it now for a reason. I did the 21-day reset, changed my life, and so now I just like eat like that regularly. But I will show you guys what I'm having for breakfast and stuff. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit for Pilates first. Lulu. I feel like I actually just wore this like pretty exact outfit in like a fitness morning vlog that was actually filmed like 2 weeks ago, but it just went up recently. And then I got this jacket, actually from Brandy Melville. I was looking for a jacket literally exactly like this, and I found it at Brandy, so that's amazing. It's like the perfect jacket to throw on over like fitness clothes for a workout. Just wearing my Adidas slides like I always do. But I'm gonna go to the kitchen, make my first breakfast, have some hot lemon water, and a smoothie. So this will be good. So I'm going to be making the glowy green smoothie from Kenzie Burke's 21-day reset. You just need 1 banana, just 1 celery stalk, 3 cups of spinach, and then 1 cup of coconut water. And just blend all of this up into a smoothie. And then also hot lemon water. I always just do water for my Keurig. It's super easy. So I have my hot lemon water. Oh my gosh, that looks so like cute. And then we have my smoothie. Really great green smoothie, guys. Health is wealth, you know? Amazing. Okay, so here's my taste test. It's actually pretty good. Like, it's a green smoothie, but it's like actually really good. The reason I'm trying a new smoothie on a what I eat a day video is because I have the tropical bub every single morning, and you guys have seen that a billion times, so I really wanted to try a different smoothie. But I always have a smoothie in the morning, like every single morning when I wake up. But I normally do the tropical bub, which is my favorite, but I needed to switch it up because you guys have already seen that a billion times. So for my first breakfast, again, it is just the green glowy smoothie and then some hot lemon water. I have my hydro flask filled with water for my workout. I wish it wasn't bright pink, but you know, it's whatever. So you know what? Someone commented the other day that every time I get my thing, I do that. I get my seatbelt, I push my other arm back with my arm. Is that not normal? I noticed it after someone commented that, and I had a bunch of thumbs up, and then I watched it and I was like, wait, what? So it feels weird just doing what I eat in a day because I feel like I should be like vlogging, but these are actually perfect on days that I film, now that I think about it. But in case you guys are wondering which podcast I'm listening to this morning, it is a Skinny Confidential, How to Build a Life on Your Own Terms, probably, with Tate Fletcher. Michael is obsessed. If you guys don't know, my podcast is through Dear Media, so I'm like with Michael. Michael is obsessed with this caveman coffee stuff. Like in the office, he's like obsessed with it and talks about it all the time. And so this is the one with Tate Fletcher, so I'm 100% listening to it. But I'm on my way to Hot Pilates. Yay! I'm so excited. I love Hot Pilates. Oh my gosh, my phone just fell. Okay. Just got out of Hot Pilates. Such a good class. Actually, it was really hard and I died. But on my way home to make my second breakfast. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is very self-explanatory, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I make my avocado toast. This is what I look forward to every single day. This Food for Life bread. It's yeast-free, gluten-free, wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free. Multi-seed rice bread. You can get it at Whole Foods in the freezer section. It's like always sold out. It's so hard to find. Even at Air One, I can't find it right now. But it's literally like the best bread ever, and it's just so freaking amazing. And it's smaller because it's gluten-free. And then avocado, some lemon, and then my everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. This is Trader Joe's. It's like a game changer. You can literally put this on everything. So if you go to Trader Joe's, this is a staple. It's so freaking good. You want to toast this twice, but I have this setting, so I kind of just like change it up every time and hope for the best, but you want it to be like crispy. It's the best texture and consistency, guys. I cannot say enough good things about this bread. I don't always have coffee, but I'm feeling it this morning, so I'm gonna make some for my Keurig. I said this so many times, but I really want to like get really good at making drinks from this, but I want to make like the healthiest drink possible from this. So I know I've asked before, but like if you guys know really cute recipes that you see that are like really cute over the top drinks, that's what I want to do, but I need them to be really healthy, like superfoods and stuff. So if you guys know any, let me know. I always just do Trader Joe's K-Cups because they're literally $5 for 12. Like that's such a good price. Amazing. Here is my coffee. Here's my second breakfast. I normally only have 2 pieces of toast. These are really mini if you can tell, but I was just hungry and feeling 3 today. I've never done 3 before, so it might be too much, but I don't know. This is my favorite bread, avocado toast, seasoning as you guys saw, and then lemon on top. This is so good. I cannot express it. Like, oh my gosh, I'm literally in love with this. And then just some black coffee. Hi, Coco. Oh, off. What? Off. This is what she does for the camera, guys. I'm not kidding. All right, so I just showered and I edited a vlog that is exporting right now. I'm about to make lunch. I just thought I would show you guys my like comfy outfit lounging around today. I'm trying to take this afternoon off and kind of just do like run some errands and do some like get my nails done and prep because my sister's coming in town this weekend. I'm currently doing laundry. I don't know, you guys don't really care. This is what I eat in a day, but I'm just gonna show you my outfit. So I have my new favorite jacket from Brandy. It is so cute. I know they have it in a white as well. I just feel like I wouldn't wear the white as much. Maybe I would wear it if I wore like all white, like white sports bra and white like leggings. That'd be cool, but I feel like I would just get it really gross. This jacket is literally the best thing ever. I'll have it linked down below. Then I just have a black bodysuit and I just put on some Lululemon joggers and then my Adidas slides. Later today, I'm just gonna put some jeans on and wear like white sneakers or something. But I'm letting my hair air dry and I'm not gonna like get fully ready right now. I'm about to go make some lunch though, so let's get back into, you know, normal scheduled programming. So I was originally planning on making this like spinach curry rice bowl thing that I really like, but honestly, I'm not feeling it right now. And I really just want some rice cakes with hummus and cucumber, lemon, you guys will see. So that's what I'm gonna make. I make this when I want like a lighter lunch. I make the grain bowl all the time. The one that you guys saw in my like what I eat in a day video, I honestly eat that almost every day. It's like my favorite meal ever. I make it for like Joe and like I just literally love it. But I'm gonna go with the rice cakes today. So I hope, yeah, no, I definitely have enough. I'm like, here they are, perfect. So basically what you want is just some hummus, rice cakes. Again, I'm not kidding, I have this all the time. A lemon, these are like, these 2 things, it's like a starter pack and it's a lemon and this stuff for me. Guys, bring back starter kits. If you guys are watching this, please make my starter kits and tag me on Instagram and Twitter. Those things are so funny. And then a cucumber. You guys will see. I have definitely made this in a vlog before, but it's one of my favorite go-to meals, and I just love it. Okay, so I have the rice cakes. These were like pretty broken. I normally would just do 4 like solid ones, but as you can see, it's a little bit messy today. Hummus, organic hummus from Trader Joe's, by the way. Like get the healthy kind, or the healthier kind. Cucumbers, lemon, and then topping it off. I'm sure you guys are shocked with this seasoning. And these are like really good and they're very filling. And yeah, you can have like 1 or 2 of these, like make it smaller and it can just be a snack. I don't really ever do that. I always just have it, like have a bunch and then it's kind of just my lunch because I had a pretty big breakfast having another like piece of toast. So I'm not super hungry, but if I don't eat yet, then it's just gonna throw off my whole rhythm. You know what I'm saying? So this is my lunch. Could look prettier, but it's still very good. Just brought my lunch into my office. How cute is this? Look at Coco. Guys, can we just take a second to recognize that she really is just like the cutest dog ever. Coco, come here, look at me. Oh, she looks mad. The groomers keep grooming her face weird. It's this whole thing. We've probably already talked about it. Yeah, so this is my lunch. I'm gonna get some more editing and computer work done. Hopefully take the afternoon. I wanna go to Creation. I would love to get like a green juice from Creation. Oh, wow, I've had a lot of greens today, but I guess not really, but you know, whatever. I have my jazz playlist on in my office. I think I'm gonna get some stuff done, and then I am gonna go read at Creation and have a little afternoon, like a treat yourself, like read at Creation, get my nails done, and then I'll come back and cook some dinner. But that is what we're doing right now, and I'm just gonna have my lunch. We're gonna take a little break to show you guys a mini haul in my what I eat in a day vlog. I'm really trying, guys. I got the oversized crew neck. I have the normal one that isn't oversized, black and gray, and I like it, but I just needed oversized, and they finally had them back in stock. So I got the green one, and I'm gonna get so much use out of these. I'm probably gonna get them in multiple colors. And then I also got the pink one. It's just this bright like neon pink crew neck. It's so pretty. I also got this in black, but it's on back order, so I'm not gonna get it until later this month. But I literally ordered these 2 days ago. They get delivered so quick, like literally so quick. They're $80, but the quality is so amazing. Like I wear crew necks all the time, and I just need good crew necks that are like great quality, and I want every single color. And then I just got these tank tops that I really needed. Honestly, I needed to wear one today. I might throw it on instead of my bodysuit, but these little strappy black tank tops, I needed a tank top that was like nicer quality, that held up a little bit better, just because I don't want to have to wear a bra with it, and like I need it to be thicker. And then I also got a white one, so I'm gonna get so much wear out of all 4 of these pieces. I actually ordered 5, but like I said, the black one's coming later, so very excited for that. Love that. I'm taking myself on a little reading date, so we're going to Creation. I'm gonna get like a juice or matcha or something. So I made it to Creation, and I got there, it's matcha appreciated, basically. I have matcha. I'm just gonna do some reading. So I'm gonna listen to music and just drink my matcha. I'm a big matcha girl now, I'm not gonna lie, big fan. Just got my nails done. You can't really even tell the color. It's like a bright pink. I got dip. I always get dip. I'll show you in the car. This lighting is just not the best. Here are my nails. They just don't look good on camera right now at all. Like, no lighting is good. This is better. And they look like they're messy around, but they're not messy. That's so odd. Okay, so basically, moral of the story, I got my nails done. We are stopping at Trader Joe's very quickly because I need to get some broccoli for dinner tonight. Wow. I go to Trader Joe's like every day. I was literally here last night, so gotta get some broccoli. Very exciting things, kids. Alright, so I finally got ready for the day. I actually do have plans tonight, but I'm gonna make dinner first. But I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I don't like love this bodysuit with this, but like a lot of my clothes are in the washer and I just don't really care right now. So I have a black bodysuit on from Garage. These jeans are actually also from Garage. These are like some of my favorite. They honestly have like really good jeans, not gonna lie. Yeezys, and then my Brandy Melville jacket and just some small hoops. I always feel like the lighting is so much better this way. So this is another look at the look, basically. This jacket is like a closet staple of mine already, and it's day 1 of wearing it. Also, I need a new scent. Like, tell me down below what I should get. I really am open to anything and all suggestions, but honestly, Victoria's Secret perfumes, like whatever, I'm actually a fan, and everyone always compliments me on them when I'm wearing them. I'm gonna go make some dinner. I planned at like 7:30. Right now it's like 5:40, and I need to leave at 6:45. So I have about an hour to make dinner, show you guys what I'm making and all that stuff, and kind of like clean up a little bit, straighten up. So what a good Friday, you know? All right, so for dinner tonight, it's brown rice pasta. I have some organic spaghetti sauce. There's better sauce that you can get. This is just the only one that I can get quickly. But you just want like a clean sauce. This is a cleaner sauce from Trader Joe's. Kale, spinach, broccoli, and mushrooms. I'm like really adding some stuff. I've never added the mushrooms in this before, so we'll see how that goes. But I boil all of this together, and then I'm gonna saute it all together with the mushrooms. Boil this, and then just serve with that. It's super, super easy, but like this is such great pasta, and it's like also also really cheap to make and really easy. So I'm a huge fan. Currently boiling the pasta. I'm boiling all of the greens. I just threw the mushrooms on here because I'm going to like saute those first and then add these in. I'm also, as you can tell, drying my clothes, but that's where we're at right now. This is a seasoning that I use. It's my holy grail from Trader Joe's. I'm on my second one. I love it. It's so much. So I just season all that. And then once I add in the greens, I'll also put it on there, but it's literally just the best ever. So I have my greens and the mushrooms on the stove. I don't know how the mushrooms are gonna taste in this. I just decided to like throw them in. And then I have my pasta's ready. I somehow got greens in there, don't ask. And I'm just gonna pour in some of the red sauce. It's absolutely amazing. I personally like when this stuff is like really crispy and it's getting there for sure. Like it's not burnt, but it's crisp, you know? That's what I like mushrooms like pretty much burnt. I have pasta. I'm making some for my roommate too, but I have pasta on the dish and then I'm just going to like plate it all together in a second. I have some gluten-free brown rice pasta and then some cleaner red marinara sauce, vegetables, mushrooms, kale, what else is in there? Spinach, broccoli, whatever. I listed it all off a billion times. This is like one of my favorite pastas. It's a go-to. Like my friends also come over and eat this. It's amazing. Okay guys, it is way later and I am about to have my detox tea and my little chocolate that I have all the time. You guys have seen this probably in like Kenzie or Maggie's or whatever. It's literally the best chocolate ever. So these are the two things I have. I have a detox tea. This is my favorite that I've tried, and I've tried like a good amount. Or I'll have like a ginger tea, but I normally will have like an actual like puka detox tea. And then for chocolate, so this is like the human chocolate bar. My favorite is the salted dark chocolate one, but I'm out of that because it's my favorite ever. This is the crunchy mint dark chocolate. It's my second favorite, and I'll just have like 2 small pieces of this. But it's so amazing, and if you ever have like a sweet tooth or anything, this is like a really good chocolate bar. It's just amazing. Okay, so this is kind of my dessert. I guess I have my detox tea and then I just have 2 pieces of this little chocolate bar. These are like $7 or $8, so I always just have like 2 pieces a night because they're expensive, but you can go to Whole Foods, or you can go to Whole Foods, and a lot of the time they're like 30% off or whatever. So it's not as bad, but this is my little treat when I get home, or like before I'm going to bed, basically. Okay guys, that is it for my what I eat in a day video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know by commenting down below and telling me you guys want to see more of these. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Oh, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.